Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a signature background transparent in PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your PowerPoint presentation. Then go to the home menu, select the new slide. Then click blank. Then go to the insert menu, select the picture option. Then choose your signature image from your file. Now I am select the image and click insert. Then we select the image and go to the picture format menu and choose remove background. Now we can see here automatically selected the signature image and we remove the background. Click this keep change option. Now we can see we remove the background. Now we want to make the background is transparent. We want to make sure this background is transparent. And go to the insert menu, select the shape option and draw a shape. Send to back this shape. Click backward option, choose send to back. Now you can see the signature image is transparent. You can change the shape color. Otherwise you can recolor the picture of the signature image. Select the correction drop down menu and go to picture correction option and increase the brightness or contrast. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.